In this tutorial, I will be teaching you how you can fix the solid color background issue in DaVinci Resolve 16. You use the solid color generator mainly for changing the background color. As you can see from this clip, I am changing the background color, and if you change the color of text also, it just works fine, as you can see. But the problem happens when I want to use a smaller resolution video clip, maybe like a screen recording of a phone. What would happen is that it would only take a small portion of the 1920 by 1080 normal resolution, and what is meant to take the color of the solid color generator would just be black. It would not change. The simple fix for this problem is to simply resize the video clip. So as you can see, this phone recording, the screen recording, I just drag it at the corner and resize it into a tiny bit smaller version of its original self. I think the main reason is because at the default size it covers the solid color generator, which changes the background to just being black. It's important to note that there are way more issues related to the solid color generator. This issue is just one of the specific ones, so if it doesn't help you, then you're gonna have to find a new video. Thanks for watching.